What if I told you that with just $1, you could own a piece of Apple, Tesla, or Amazon? Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what happens when you buy a stock. Stocks are one of the most powerful wealth-building tools in history, but most beginners don't understand how they actually work. Today, I'll break it down in the simplest way possible, so by the end of this video you'll not only know what a stock is, but also how to buy your first one. Let's dive in. So what is a stock? Imagine you and your friends decide to open a pizza shop. But instead of one person paying for everything, you decide to sell tiny slices of ownership to raise money. These slices are called shares, and each person who buys a share owns a small part of the business. If the pizza shop becomes popular and starts making more money, the value of each share goes up. If it struggles, the value might go down. That's exactly how stocks work. Except instead of a small pizza shop, we're talking about multi-billion-dollar companies like Apple, Tesla, and Google. When you buy a stock in these companies, you own a tiny fraction of the company itself. Alright, now you own a stock. Do you know how do you actually make money? There are two main ways. The first way is simple. You buy a stock when it's low and sell it when it's high. Let's say you buy a stock for $100, and a few months later, it jumps to $150. That's a $50 profit without doing anything. The second way is dividends. Some companies pay their investors just for owning their stock. It's called a dividend, a small portion of the company's profits shared with shareholders. Companies like Coca-Cola, McDonald's, and Microsoft pay dividends every year. That's basically free money for doing nothing. You might be wondering, where does all this buying and selling happen? Well, it happens on stock exchanges. Think of it as the Amazon of stocks, a giant marketplace where people trade shares. The two biggest exchanges in the United States are the New York Stock Exchange, or NYSE, and NASDAQ. These platforms list thousands of companies, making it easy for investors to buy and sell shares. Fun fact, the NYSE was founded in 1792, making it one of the oldest stock exchanges in the world. Now let's get practical. How do you actually buy a stock? It's easier than ever. Here's a 5-step guide. To buy a stock, you'll need a brokerage account. Think of it like a bank account, but for investing. Some popular brokers are Robinhood, Fidelity, eToro, and Trading 212. To buy a stock, you'll need a brokerage account. Think of it like a bank account, but for investing. Once you've opened your brokerage account, you'll need to deposit money into it. Most brokers allow transfers directly from your bank account. Before you buy, do your research. Check the company's financials, earnings reports, and future growth potential. Once you're ready, search for the stock symbol, like AAPL for Apple or TSLA for Tesla, then hit buy. After buying, you can track your stock's performance and decide if you want to hold it long-term or sell it later. That's it, you're officially an investor. Before you go, let's cover some big mistakes new investors make. Mistake 1, investing without research. Mistake 2, trying to time the market. Mistake 3, panic selling during dips. Mistake 4, not diversifying, putting all money in one stock. Avoid these, and you'll be ahead of 90% of beginners. Congrats! Now you know what a stock is, how it works, and how to buy your first one. Ready to start investing? Check out our recommended brokers in the description below. Subscribe official AI Wealth Hacks for more investing videos.